Hey there, welcome back to our Figma course. Let's continue our journey and finish learn Figma together. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, in my screen, you see we are having a page. Well, we can select this page and um, we can select this page and we can drag it. It's interesting, isn't it? We can drag it. Definitely, we have to click on the frame, you click on the name, and um, we have to drag it. Why we are it okay to this? All right, all right. We have all right. We have a page in our screen. By the way, we can select it and we can resize it the way we like, and also click on this link, name, and hold it. Don't release your finger, just click on it and keep it. And now you can drag it, you can just move it like this. Now let's draw something. Draw what? Let's click on this little arrow. We will see that we can draw rectangle, we can draw circle, we can draw polygon, star, and then arrow and line. Let's do one by one. Okay, all right. Don't leave your mouse, please. Click it and hold it. And now you can see, you can draw different shapes. Okay, let's draw this. Now let's draw a circle. Okay, we can draw a circle like this. And now let's draw a polygon. Yes, polygon. And then arrow. Yeah, let's do it like this. Yeah, it's an arrow. Now let's do a line. Okay, this is a line, another line, another line. Okay, so many lines. Now let's not image, not image. No, my friend, not now. Let's do a star. Now we can draw a star. What I'm trying to say is, from this we can draw whatever we like and whatever we feel this is what I need. Now if I try to increase the size, how do I do it? First of all, click on it, it will select, and now you can resize it. You can also resize it, and from the corner you can resize in both ways, horizontally and vertically. You can resize it in the same way. You can resize the circle, star, and also the arrow. You can make it short, you can rotate this like this way. Now okay, now we can draw shapes, and it can be any shape. The problem is, if let's delete all of this, select it, delete, select, delete. Let's do everything together. Select and now delete. All right. If I select a rectangle, you'll see, not rectangle, let's do for circle. You'll see that I can, this is also a circle, right? This is also a circle, and this is also a circle, but I want absolute circular shape. I really want absolute circular shape. How do I do it? Well, let's delete these. Now when I am doing this, click on your shift key on the keyboard. Just click on shift and hold it. So I'm clicking on shift, and now you see I cannot make it however I like. Previously I was doing like this. Now once I leave the shift key, once I leave it, I can do like this. But once I click on the shift key, I cannot do like the way I want. So if I want absolute circular, if I want absolute rectangular, if I want absolute polygon, like this should be a real polygon. It should be like this star. It should not be like this. It should be like this. Then just press the shift key on your keyboard, and that's it. That's it. That now you can just easily draw shapes which has a perfect shape. For arrow, if you just click on shift, it will be like very straight. You cannot make it like this arrow. You have to be either like this, or you can do like this, like this. This is also an arrow. And also for line, you can do like this. What I'm trying to say is you are not having the control. Figma is taking the control once you click on shift key. So now we know how we can draw shapes, and how we can take perfect shape in sizes. Let's move on. Let's move on. Try to see a little bit more in the next video. Thank you so much, and I hope I will surely catch you up in the next one.